Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add cover image on LinkedIn. This is a small but important optimization, especially if you're a Shopify store owner or beginner, because your cover image is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile, and it's a great place to visually communicate what you do or what your brand is about. So firstly, you need to go to your profile, then choose View Profile. And from here, just click on this camera on this background. This camera icon is specifically for editing your LinkedIn cover photo, not your profile picture. So click on it, and from here, you can create a slideshow or you can add cover image. A single cover image works great if you want a clean, professional look, while a slideshow can be useful if you want to highlight multiple offers, services, or brand visuals. So click on it, and from here, you can upload your own from your computer, or you can choose image created by this AI, which is helpful if you don't already have a design ready. So let's say I'm going to choose this image and then click Save. Now once the image loads, you can customize it by clicking on this pencil. This pencil icon lets you fine-tune how your cover image looks so it fits properly and aligns with LinkedIn's layout. Then click Edit Cover Image, and from here you can, for example, zoom it a little bit, or you can rotate it like this. This is useful if important text or visuals are too close to the edges. Then you can apply filters to give your image a more polished or branded look. So we have some filters here. So for example, this is Spotlight, which can make your cover image stand out a bit more visually. Then what you can do next is adjust the settings like brightness, contrast, saturation. These settings help your image look clearer and more professional, especially if it looks dull or too dark. So let's say you want to add some brightness. So click on brightness and then drag this slider. As you can see, it's brightened, making the image more eye-catching and easier to see on both desktop and mobile. Now once you have everything set up, you can click on Apply. So I'm going to click on Apply, and this is going to apply all changes I made it here. Always take a quick look to make sure everything looks aligned and nothing important is cut off. So as you can see, this is how you can upload and edit your cover image on LinkedIn, giving your profile a more professional and branded appearance. Before you go, make sure to check out the other tutorials on the channel for more step-by-step tips on building your brand and growing your business online. If this video helped you, give it a like. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.